Our dogs love to play outside. A walk in the park, a run in the woods, it's pure joy for them, but hidden in the grass and trees are tiny creatures that can harm our furry friends, ticks, fleas, and mites. These parasites can cause serious health problems for our dogs. Ticks can be as small as a pinhead or as big as a grape. Fleas are tiny brown insects that jump. Mites are even smaller and burrow into a dog's skin. All of them can make our dogs very uncomfortable and even sick. That's why it's so important for us, as responsible dog owners, to protect our furry companions from these parasites. We need to know how to prevent them, how to spot them, and what to do if our dog gets infested. Our dogs give us unconditional love, and it's our job to keep them safe and healthy. Let's learn how to keep those tiny terrors away. Let's learn more about these pesky parasites. Ticks are like tiny spiders that attach themselves to dogs and feed on their blood. They can transmit diseases, which is why they're so dangerous. Fleas are small brown insects that jump onto dogs and also feed on their blood. They can cause allergic reactions and even transmit tapeworms. Imagine your dog constantly scratching because of these annoying fleas. Mange is caused by mites, microscopic creatures that burrow into a dog's skin. This causes intense itching, hair loss, and skin infections. It's not a pretty sight and can be very uncomfortable for our furry pals. Knowing what we're dealing with is the first step in protecting our dogs. By understanding how each parasite operates, we can take the right steps to keep them away from our beloved companions. These tiny parasites are more than just a nuisance. They pose real health risks to our furry friends. Ticks can transmit serious diseases like Lyme disease, which can cause fever, joint pain, and even kidney failure in dogs. Fleas, while seemingly less threatening, can also cause significant problems. Their bites can trigger allergic reactions in some dogs, leading to intense itching and skin infections. Additionally, fleas can transmit tapeworms, internal parasites that can cause digestive issues and weight loss. Mange, caused by mites, can result in severe skin irritation, hair loss, and secondary infections. The constant scratching and discomfort can be incredibly distressing for dogs, affecting their overall well-being. It's crucial to understand that these parasites can severely impact our dog's health and happiness. By being aware of the risks, we can take proactive steps to protect them from harm. The good news is that we can do a lot to prevent these pesky parasites from bothering our dogs. Prevention is key when it comes to protecting our furry friends from ticks, fleas, and mange. Regularly checking your dog's fur for any signs of these parasites is crucial. Using veterinarian-recommended preventative medications is another essential step. These medications come in various forms, such as topical treatments, oral medications, and special collars, and they effectively kill or repel parasites. Maintaining a clean living environment for your dog is also important. Regularly washing their bedding in hot water and thoroughly vacuuming your home can help eliminate any lurking parasites. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By being proactive and following these simple steps, we can significantly reduce the risk of our dogs encountering these unwanted guests. Despite our best efforts, our dogs may still encounter ticks, fleas, or mites. If you find a tick on your dog, don't panic. Use fine-tipped tweezers to grasp the tick as close to the skin as possible and pull it straight out with a steady motion. After removing the tick, disinfect the area with rubbing alcohol. For fleas, there are various treatments available, including shampoos, sprays, and oral medications. Your veterinarian can recommend the best option for your dog based on the severity of the infestation. Treating mange involves a combination of medications and topical treatments to kill the mites and soothe the irritated skin. Your veterinarian will prescribe the appropriate course of treatment based on the type of mange and the severity of the condition. Remember, prompt treatment is crucial in managing any infestation and preventing further complications. If you suspect your dog may have ticks, fleas, or mange, consult your veterinarian immediately for proper diagnosis and treatment. Being a responsible dog owner means being proactive about your dog's health, especially when it comes to parasites. Regularly check your dog's fur for any signs of ticks, fleas, or mites, particularly after spending time outdoors in grassy or wooded areas. Talk to your veterinarian about the best preventative medications for your dog based on their lifestyle and risk factors. Don't hesitate to ask your vet any questions you may have about parasites or your dog's health in general. By taking these simple yet crucial steps, you become your dog's best friend in the fight against these tiny terrors. Your proactive approach will ensure your furry companion enjoys a happy, healthy, and parasite-free life. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way. By understanding the risks associated with ticks, fleas, and mange, and by taking proactive steps to prevent and treat these parasites, we can ensure our dogs live their best lives. The bond we share with our dogs is incredibly special, and their well-being is our top priority. Let's continue to educate ourselves and make responsible choices to protect our furry companions from these pesky parasites. A healthy, happy dog is a true testament to a loving and responsible owner. By working together, we can create a safe and joyful environment for our beloved furry friends to thrive.